Hey, we talked about those lights, Brady, right? And maybe by the end of tonight, fans will get a little bit of a glimpse of what that's going to look like. But when we were out shooting high school football last night for Friday Night Football, I saw the stadium lit up in blue. I decided to drive by, and I got a little preview of the new Light the Blue show.
The fan experience is going to be taking a huge step up this year thanks to these lights. We've had just an amazing time playing around with them all summer, coming up with different ideas, different concepts for everything, and I think we got it at a really good point. So our staff did an amazing job and can't wait to show it off to the fans. Take your imagination wherever you want with these. Any sort of light shows you can think of. I would say right now we're sitting at upwards of like 20 different variations of the lights. And the capabilities are really endless, and that's been a really fun one for our staff to get to play around with. We're constantly trying to innovate, come up with new ones. What we got planned for touchdowns is definitely my favorite. It's mostly blue, but we still got some nice whites in there, and just how it really plays and what it does to the field, the stadium, the different kind of looks that it gives. That one's probably my favorite so far. These are incredible. You have blue field, now you got blue lights. We're lighting it up blue, and when you finally get to see them in person and see all that they can do, see how much it really affects, you know, just the game, and see how much the guys really like it, I mean, you're just gonna be having a huge smile on your face. As the team is kind of breaking their huddle, going around to give high fives, we're going to have a little bit of some white lights with the blue, just for security reasons. And then as soon as the team is off the field, we're turning this whole place blue, leaving it blue for the night. That way everyone driving hose knows the Broncos won tonight.
So it's going to be a few weeks, Brady, before fans are going to get the full effect for a home game. But I will say this, you will get a nice little taste if Boise State picks up a victory tonight. Right when the sun starts to set, about 8:30, they're going to light this place blue. And I got to tell you, it really does enhance what the game day atmosphere is here. I can't wait for the first night game now.
I'm almost a little jealous you already got to see it in person. I've only seen the video clips of it, but I'm excited.
All right.
Anything to keep amping up that atmosphere for game day.
I agree with you there, man.